to show you how to utilize the AI question generating feature in EdPuzzle. I'm in my EdPuzzle teacher account. I'm going to add content. I'm going to upload a video from YouTube. I just paste that URL right there and search for it. EdPuzzle will give me a preview so that way I can verify that this is the video I'd like to use, and I can tell from the picture, from the title, that this is the video that I want. I'm going to go ahead and generate those questions now by clicking the question tab. Over here we have the Teacher Assist. This magic wand is the AI embedded feature. If I click on that, I can choose which type of questions I'd like it to create for me. I'll go ahead and choose multiple choice. And now there are 7 questions that have been added to this video for checks of understanding for my students as they are watching the video. And each of those are identified by this little raindrop icon.